Morning, Steve in Chicago with the morning grain comments. We're getting a pretty good storm here in Chicago. Overnight, prices are a little bit lower, led by the bean market. We've seen some profit taking in the palm oil market with the ringgit higher. That's weighing on soybean oil, which could offer some resistance to the beans, and maybe a little profit taking once we poked our nose over $10 and we're back close to that price level. Export sales data, we're expecting good sales in the beans, new crop somewhere between 1.5 and 1.8 million tons. There's talk that China yesterday bought another 5 to 6 cargoes from the U.S. So the demand continues to be supportive underneath the market. One trader jokingly said today that all this rain in the Midwest, we probably need to sell more unless the carryout might increase. So these rains in August certainly help the bean crop as far as production is concerned. Over in the corn, export sales, new crop expected to be 800,000 to 1 million tons. Again, the corn market is pushed and pulled on the record demand and the record supply. And again, we'll see what the final corn yield is, but the big thing is when will the farmer sell corn and how much will he sell? And is that enough to fill the pipeline? Over in the wheat, still the funds are almost record short wheat. How long will they hold that position? We've seen a little bit of short covering recently, but they still hold on a big short position. We expect sales 400 to 600,000 tons, and an interesting article out overnight suggesting that Europe's going to be importing wheat because of their poor quality. Most of that is coming from Eastern Europe, but it does underscore their poor crop conditions there. 6 to 10 day and the 8 to 14 day calls for normal to below temps and normal rains. So we're going to cool down from the heat and humidity that we've seen the last couple of days. Funds yesterday, buyers of beans, meal, oil, corn, and wheat adding to their long bean and meal position, cutting their short corn and wheat positions. The CME lowered margins on wheat and gold futures, and we'll be watching pretty closely and see if there's enough information for the CME to trigger the VSR in wheat again, which would widen the spreads. On the other side of the coin, we're hearing that some people might take delivery of the wheat, load it on a boat, and send it to Algeria. So we'll see if that has any impact on the wheat spreads. So a little bit lower. Crude is mixed to higher on continued talk about OPEC getting together and maybe freezing production. And also the stock should open up a little bit lower on some profit taking on concern the Fed may not be able to raise rates soon. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.